do you see what I see again? Tell me, do you see it too? The numbers. Tell me, do you see what I see again? Stop. Listen. Do you see the numbers too? Join.
Hey everybody, back with more reaction and videos. Decode for you today. What are we on? We're on Wednesday. We've been up to date. 13th today, that's what it was, yes. We're going to start off with this story. We've got a few stories to get through. I'm probably going to be uploading a couple of stories at a time. And because of how much space I got, what I'm working with, memory and all that. So, up first, Web of Deceit. And before we begin, do you know what? I'll wait to do that as we move on. Do you know what? I'm not even going to do it straight away. But it's something I say at the beginning of every video, literally. Or definitely at some point through. Again, if you're not new, you're probably more than familiarized with what I would have said just then. And I will say it shortly. For anybody new here that may or may not get what is being presented, the layers of what's being presented and why it's being presented and the importance of what's being presented, not just from this channel, the entire community that do the decodes and following the stream code, if you may, the script that's running, be it organic from the universe or nefarious hands at play, meddling, working the crafts. For some reasons we may not know, for other reasons we, clearly understand a method, a mechanic of control, which then goes on to other means for what they're up to, right? So, let's begin. Web of Deceit. Family Slam, cold and calculated teen. Note how that's emphasized there. We'll see if we can find anything with that. Family Slam, cold and calculated teen who battered lover 15 to death. And I'm sure, before we even continue, I'm sure I did another story and there was another death on this day. Was it the little girl's death or was it another stabbing? It's probably both. It was probably both. But I'm sure definitely one or the other. For the 12th of December. I'm sure I covered that date recently. But anyway, so Web of Deceit, Family Slam, cold and calculated teen who battered lover 15 to death with spanner over 2K blackmail plot. And if I remember correctly, when I was prepping this the other day, or last week, whatever, about a week ago, right? It's the 13th today. This came out on the 7th. When did I catch this? Oh yeah, so I did catch this on the 7th. Oops. So just know Alex Rodda, slipped my mind something I was going to say there, but Alex Rodda 39. Oh yes, that's what I was going to say. More context to the story before we move on. So it was a blackmail plot. I think one of them was this the one and somebody was married or something? And then they were seeing the hold up. Let me quickly something cool after he was found guilty. Oh yeah, see? To expose a sexual relationship. So one of them was going out with somebody or they're, in a married relationship. I can't remember the full story, but we'll see with some of the screenshots, of course. But anyway, that was the reason for this situation, an altercation, which has led to this happening. Now, so Alex Rodda, this is the deceased. So we've got MatthewMason, the killer. We've got the deceased, who is Alex Rodda, right? So 39, I'm already seeing some next little innuendos there. But anyway, 39. Note the 44 and 64 with this other guy's name, with the perpetrator, MatthewMason. Remember that 39, we're going to get back to that in a moment. Note the 172 as well. Why am I saying this? Because of course, this is a day that will circle and say, wow, there's definitely going to be some type of crazy killing, be it celebrity or not, you know, local, domestic, or crazy event day via the you-know-who's. Or, as we say, you know, the universe streams a certain code, and then up by weights and measures, everybody's just going to be, you know, polarized to what they're polarized to doing, right? But as I always point out, you understand the layers of why they are happy to use these stories, whether they're real, not real. This is the bit that I usually say at the beginning, or somewhere in the decode, you know, whether it's real or not, a mix of true lies, all organic, or one of their propaganda events. There's no way you can discard. You can't discard the information that's been presented here. You know. Again, if you're new here, feel free to download the books, courtesy of Zachary K. Hubbard of Gematria Effect News. You can check him out on YouTube. You can find gematriaeffect.news on your browser. And of course, other people within the community. But, you know, if you're in any doubt, you just head on over to Gematria Effect News, Zachary K. Hubbard, and Gematria Effect Sports and whatnot. Download the books. We've made them available free for PDF download. You know, you can get the digital download of the books, 9/11 to Coronavirus, and the second edition of his first book called Letters and Numbers. Yeah. So, Kill 64, day numerology, life lesson 28, and we've got a numerology of 44. So, Kill 28, Kill 64, we've got the 44, Kill 44, Execution 44. And this is on the 12th of December, yeah? MatthewMason, 44 and 64. Huh. Let's keep it moving. So, 15-year-old boy battered to death with a spanner by his teenage lover. Excuse me. I thought I read it wrong, but I didn't actually. But anyway, MatthewMason, 19. So, on a day leaving 19 days of the year, a 19-year-old who's then obviously after the fact of this day, sobbing in court, found guilty after battering Alex Rodda to death. Again, rodding. Anyway, over a scheme to expose the sexual relationship. Now, what am I seeing? 15-year-old boy battered to death with a spanner by his teenage lover in a £2,000 black note. So look, 15 and 2, 152. MatthewMason, 152. 15-year-old, £2,000. And the 172. So remember, we already got the 44 and 64 with the day numerology. But no, 172 also. We just broke down the 152 that I just saw real time. I didn't clock that before when I prepped the decode the other day. But anyway, 172, MatthewMason. Did you see it at the beginning? Yeah, 1702, go figure. You see? Now, from Situation Day to this being in the news on the 7th of January, or January 7th, what have we got here? Well, look at the date span. If I check it, it will be 27. I should have checked it actually. 27. So 27 days, yeah? Also, note the alternate span, which will be 3 weeks and 6 days. So we've got the 3 weeks, 6 days from the 12th of December. Matthew equals 36 and 27. Note the 99 as well. I think we've got a 99 coming up. Matthew 99, keep that in your mind. Ah, his last name Mason is 26 and 28 and 17. January 7th, the day that a news article or be an update. Of course, death 97, murder 79. Of course, murder, death, kill, cancer, destroy, found dead, collapse, drowned, Masonic and killing, all equal 3883. Following suit with the 97s and 79s. 47s, 74s, 43s, 34s, 20 and 25s. Probably an extra 1 or 2 in there. But those will be the main numbers that you find. And anyway, be sure to check out the movie with Sandra Bullock, whose name also equals 83. Check out the movie Murder by Numbers. Note the poster. They changed the letters to E and the letter B to a 3 and an 8. The movie came out in 2002. The 22nd prime is 79. Remember, we just spoke about 79 and 97. Murder and death. Oh, £2,000. Web of Deceit. 200. Drop the zeros. There's another 2 there. Was it Mason was 99 or Matthew? Here we have 99, cold and calculated. And if you do it with the symbol the and symbol, excuse me, if you do it that way. Oh, actually his name's got a 26 and 62 in it. I think it was when it was broken down, MatthewMason. And then cold and calculated using the symbol and, not spelling and. You've got the 44. 116, execution is 44 and 116. Remember, kill 44, we had the 64 with the numerology. And we've got the 26 and 62. Let's see if we can quickly go back just to just see it. So Mason, 26 and 62, go figure. Blackmail 28, oh my God. Hold up, Spanner 102, 39 and 42. What am I seeing here? 12, December 12th, Spanner. Then we've got 42 and 39. Wasn't that my guy's name? Alex Rodda. 42, 39. 39. 39. So we've got the 39 with Spanner and Alex Rodda. And then we've got 102, drop the 0. That's the 12th of December. Blackmail 62, Mason 62, Blackmail 64 on a day with a numeral. Oh. And you know the elephant in the room because I already partly said it already. Yeah? Blackmail equals 28. Thelema 28. I haven't even mentioned that today. Of course, check out Alistair Crowley and Thelema and how that goes through your history and education and media. But anyway, again, just think about what the odds, be it all organic, as I keep saying, you know. I'll leave for you to decide. Obviously, some, whatever the variables are, obviously some we can clearly see that it's like, oh my God, come on. You know what I mean? Like, without a shadow of a doubt. Again, I'm not here for views or likes. I want the bazillion worth of people, every man, woman and child, to get the clarity and perspective view, learn the language of Gematria so you can understand with clarity, you know? Change your paradigm. It's a paradigm shift, man. I mean, I've been within it from a long time anyway, early bloomer. But this knowledge right here, this is the game changer right here. Man. I can't stress it, I can't say it enough. So anyway, Blackmail 28. On a day with a life lesson of 28. Was Mason 28? Yeah, Mason was 28. Mason 28. We had the numerology. I mean the duration, excuse me, with the dates. From event, situation to the news, we had the 26 and the 27. Remember his name, Matthew was 27. Remember Ritual 27. I mean, that's a dub play right there. Again, we just covered the other one. We covered another stabbing one the other day. I know it's another killing type story, whatever. All these stories, whether they're real or not real, as I say, you know, think about the mockery with how the news, whether it's a real story or not, think about the mockery of what they're doing to your mind. And then if it's a real story, the mockery on the family and the loved ones and the friends, etc., etc. How they're going to use somebody's death to then the continuation of amplifying their frequency of, you know, doom and gloom, fear, you know, coronavirus and whatnot. It's just, God. It's pretty sickening, to be fair. It's annoyingly funny, I'll say it in that way. Because, and obviously I'm never laughing at the unfortunate. If you've ever thought that, well then, it's unfortunate for you. Because only a real dunce and dummy will not take the time. As I've said before, you know, you can get the conducive, condensed information that's been documented over periods of time. And you can understand it via just, you know, watching so many videos or going through designated playlists about certain stuff. And it shouldn't be hard. Again, I'm not the only one presenting it. So again, here's the deceased. Found dead in woodland. Also December 12th. It's like a 33 there. Was Spanner 33? Let me just quickly check. I'm sure it was. Yeah, Spanner 33. Let me go back in case I moved that too quick. So there's the Spanner. So the killer lured his lover on the pretense of sexual activity before plundering him in cold blood. So as I say, feel free to get more context for the story by checking it out yourself. Haven't got the time today to fully read it all. So anyway, here is the weapon. Cops found the blood-stained weapon in Mason's car. Tribute video released of murdered teenager Alex Rodda, who was killed in Ashley, Cheshire. 32-second video, didn't see much with that. So, George said how Mason, who lived with his millionaire parents on a farm near Knutsford. I mean, it should be pretty self-explanatory, the fucking there. Fucking hell. I'm on about Knutsford, obviously somebody going nutty and berserk. But luring a person in on the sexual pretense. On the pretense, excuse me, of on the sexual pretense, I can say that way. To bust the nut. The text soon turned sexual and Mason sent. So began messaging Alex in October, another 33, Spanner 33, October the only month that equals to 33. The text soon turned sexual and Mason sent his year 11 lover an explicit photo and video after getting drunk. But Alex threatened to post the messages online and messaged Mason's girlfriend of 2 years on November 3rd. Oh, did I check that date? Hopefully, I'm surely did. Must have. There's no way I could have screenshotted that and not checked the dates, man. But anyway, 3rd of November. It happens on a day with 64 numerology. Remember December 12th, 64th prime. Remember Kill 64. And his name was 64 and 44. Remember he had 44 also in numerology. But anyway, 64th prime, 311. So here we have November 3rd. Sorry, I'll say it the other way. 3rd of November, excuse me. He wrote, oh my god, he wrote, I thought I should let you know that the past 2 to 3 weeks Matt has been trying to message me. He came to my house in his car to meet me last week, but I told him my dad wouldn't let me out, so I didn't meet him. I told him it was to stop, but just thought I'd let you know before he does a dickhead move. I didn't know he was dating you until I went to go follow him on Instagram. Then it goes on to talk about the blackmail plot. I know Instagram equals 58, but we're not tracking 58, so I can't remember what else it may or may not equate to. He then asked Mason for £50 to stop him putting the screenshot on social media. By the 23rd of November, Mason had paid £2,020 to Alex as he was embarrassed about what had happened. Then it goes on to talk about the attack on the 12th, say that he rained at least 15 blows. So about 15 blows, right? Hold up. Oh, I've got that 42. Give me one moment. So Spanner 39. Alex Rodda 39. Rodda 42. Spanner 42. Woodland 128. Like murdered. Found dead. Also, murdered 128. Found dead equals 38. Remember we went through the murder, death, kill, cancel, destroy stuff before. Found dead, collapsed, drowned, etc. So Woodland 38, found dead 38. And Cheshire 42, like his name. And then from one of those text days, whatever, 3rd of November, look, 39 days. 39 days to the situation that took place. And imagine, found dead 34. Hold up. Sorry, Cheshire 34. So it's interesting. Oh my god, what's happening here? We've got the numerology of 34, Cheshire 34. We've got the, and was it for, hold up, was it the 3rd and they spoke about Instagram? Oh, on November 3rd. I'm sure Instagram, hold up, I need to check this. Alright. Wow! Oh my god. Well, there's no 58. Oh, actually. Oh man, I don't know what it's gonna be with. I don't know where I run this one properly. Hold up. Sorry guys, one moment. Okay, that should be good. Okay, we got the 48 now. Okay, so anyway, 102, and what was the other one? And 39 we had. Oh, where's it gone? Sorry guys, I'm not used to using this one. There it is. So, hold up, I need to quickly go back. To Instagram 39. Spanner 39, 102, Instagram 102. Cold and calculated 54, and on the same day with the text message, on the 3rd, you've got a numerology of 54. I knew I saw a 54. Remember Matthew 99, like cold and calculated. Looking for 32. So remember, if you write out 33, you got 141. Remember Spanner 33. Oh, you see, I know it's just coming together. Unbelievable, man. I think I've gone back too far now. Yeah, so, wow. Spanner 102. So basically we're taking the 102 and the 39 and 141. So 102, 39, you see? Unbelievable. And obviously this is the message that caused, or part of it, obviously, because he said he's gonna, well, he already put pictures online and stuff and videos or whatever he was doing. If I remember that correctly, with the £50 thing, and then obviously with whatever went on after that, he was paid up to, Alex was paid by Matthew up to £2,020. Are you seeing this? Unbelievable. How long have we been going here? Ooh, 27 minutes. Right, I'm gonna have to end this video. So yeah, see? Instagram 39. 102 like 12th of December. Man. Instagram 39. Oh man. And then you've got cold and calculated. And then we had the web of deceit. Was it 34? See? You got the 308 as well. Remember Woodland 38, Found Dead 38, and all the rest of that goes with that. It's just undeniable. You've even got 5 weeks, 4 days as well. Cold and calculated. 19 days remaining when it happens. The boy is 19 years old. I mean, come on, man. 1 month, 19. I mean, 1 month, 9 days to go with the 19 days remaining. We've even got another 26. Mason 26. And look at the numerology for this day. 54, 38. Woo! Leaving 38 days with a day numerology of 34. Killing 74. Oh my god. I don't even know what to say. I'm absolutely. And the 23rd prime is 83. Murder, death, kill, and the rest. Remember the song by the Police that came out in 1983, Murder 83. The song Murder by Numbers. We just spoke about the movie recently. Do you know what? Alex equals 21. Did I mean to put that there? Alex 42 anyway, like Spanner. Sure it was 49. Oh my god, 39, 42. Yep. Just have to go over it and over it. Especially for anybody new here. as we serve up today's truth soup. Got a few stories to get through on today's menu, so hold tight. Alex, who's 15 years old. No, he got 15 blows. And he's 15. 15-year-old, 15 blows. Was he not 15 years old? Just for full clarity, 15-year-old boy battered to death, yeah? And then it went on to say 15 blows. Where was that, round here? At least 15 separate heavy blows. Alex equals 15. Oh, Alex 21. 21. Do you know what? This is between all the texting stuff going on. Are you seeing this? Unbelievable. And there's even a 73 in there. There's even a 73. Cold and calculated. I'm sure it was when I wrote that. I'm sure I saw a 73. Where's that gone? Cold and calculated. Unless I was prepping another story. I think I was prepping another story. Never mind. Mason 73 anyway. That was for a different decode. Excuse me. Alright, shit happens. I mean, wow. Web of deceit from the media, I think, sometimes as well, right? Found dead 74 as well. As we just had that numerology, but that was on the text date, yeah? With the 23rd of November. It's just unbelievable. $15 blows. 25th prime is 97. So yeah, 22nd prime 79, 25th prime 97. So from whatever was going on the 23rd of November to his death, well, we've got 19 days. There's another 19 again. Unbelievable. Just, and now we've got 25 days. Did we not have Web of Deceit 97? Go figure. 15, if you're out of 15, it's 34 and 38. I mean, come on, man. Oh my god. Remember, Woodland 38, found dead 38. We had the one of those days had 308 days remaining. I think that was on the 3rd of November. Yeah, 3rd of November. And then we've got the 23rd of November with 38 days remaining. And remember all the 54s that we clocked. Unbelievable. Well, the significant 54s that we clocked. Not that it was that many, but very significant in conjunction with cold and calculated. And the day numerology and that. And I'm sure, hold up. No, Web of Deceit wasn't 34. Excuse me, I did say that before. I'm glad I quickly looked back. Did I not have a 34? Sorry guys, give me one moment. Excuse me on that 34-day numerology. Can still take it because we've got the numerology on the other side to go with the day numerology because it was the same 34. But alright, no worries, we got enough here anyway. 15 blows equals 55. Head injury 56, 52. Web of deceit 56, 52 in the same cipher. Perfect overlay. Cause killing 115, Masonic 115. 15 blows 64. We got the 64 numerology on the date in question. Why have I got the 55? Where's this 257 or something relating to 55? Maybe I did that by accident. Alex 21, head injuries 201. Of course, the famous, notorious number that has come to light in the last year into this year. 201. If you don't know what I'm talking about, feel free to keep going through the video, so you'll soon figure it out. Because at this point, here's a major clue. Along with coronavirus. Event 201. You know what? I'm going to stop the video here. Here's Matt Hancock with, what's his name again? Something Klaus Schwab. The Great Reset guy. Basically scumbag. Still waiting for my exemption pass though, guys. Where is the exemption pass? For people like myself, not just me. All those like myself. So anyway, guys, I'll save the continuation of the slides for the next post or the upload. And let me check. Hold up.